Yo guys, I'm back. I'm sorry that there was no update video last week. In case you didn't join the Discord, I was in hospital. I got my appendix removed. It's nothing really serious and I'm feeling alright again. So please, no wishes. But let's put all this aside. We are behind the schedule and today we want to present our team members in WAVEARK. As you already know, Watt and I are the owners of WAVEARK. And because we never made an ARK server before, we thought it would be a great idea to get somebody on the team to help us with the structure of the server. That's why we asked a guy we all know from the prior #1 of the scene, Navo. He's not only the GOAT in fixing performance issues, he also ran the best optimized servers ARK has ever seen. And he's here to make sure we don't go off-road. And to clarify this from the start, we're not making Astro 2.0. Watt and I are making our completely own project and Navo is just here to look that everything goes right. And I personally think we couldn't have gotten a better guy in this spot than Navo.
On our development team we have SR, the guy who developed the anti-cheat of Inix, Mesa and other servers. And he also does other crazy shit, and we also have our friend Dave, who is an experienced plugin developer. He also made plugins for Astro, and yeah, he will also take care of the server and its functionality.
Next, I want to introduce our cave changers. We got 3 people doing cave changes, and you guys probably know all of them. The first one is Phoenix, who you probably already know from Krulak, and he also made some changes on INX. The second one, known in the PvP scene, 2x alpha on MTS and unlimited alphas on Astro basically, inventor of countless metas in the game, Sir Belilus. He has the experience to make balanced and surprisingly very beautiful caves. And lastly, we have the fastest worker in the world, also a known name in the scene, Lasse.
And yeah, now the part you all have been waiting for, our admin team. Currently our admin team has 4 NA admins and 2 EU admins. We are going to recruit some more EU admins soon. I will just quickly go through because I'm out of words. Our NAs are Major, Imagine, Golden and Names, and our EUs are Lasse and Seal. An experienced team with good time zone coverage, pretty much a dream for every player and server there is.
That is our current team. Obviously there could be some changes made in the future because you never know what's gonna happen, but I really like the team how it is right now. Enough of the team now. We really want to show you the process of making a server now, and as you already know, everything starts with a to-do list. So as you can see here we have our to-do list of WAVEARK. We have many different topics here, like shop, other like design stuff, website, marketing, server side things, ARK settings and stuff. And we also have like Discord and stuff, and we already have quite a few things done here. As you can see, like our punishment system, the team structure, members, support team and other stuff. A thing which I want to show you in detail now is, for example, our disabled dino list here. Here you can see our disabled dinos on the server. We basically put like some quality of life changes in there, like disabling nameless and other stuff like leeches and stuff. And we've wrote everything down here and sent it to our team members to look over it. And we will also publish this on Discord, which will be released in this video, so you guys can also comment on it. Right now we're working on the engram list. Let me pull it up for you. So basically how the game works is, every enabled engram on the server makes it lag a bit more. That means that we have to deactivate useless engrams in the game. For example, let me pull one up, like the compass for example. Nobody's gonna use this, so we're gonna disable this. So Walter and I went through the entire list of engrams here. So we end up with a list looking like this. Basically what we did here, we just put every engram in the game, just the code of it, put it in here, and then we set it to true or false if it should be enabled or disabled on our server. After that we have to put this on the server and then it's gonna work and we're gonna have less lag. And when we're done with the engram list, we're gonna work on the loot drop pool. There's also a lot of writing work to do.
Now, another big topic from the last days was our logo. And the logo is an important part of your server. I mean, it represents you, it represents the server as well. So, back in 23, when we started, we kind of had some concepts going. Like, for example, this one, where you can kind of see the waviness of the text, but it really wasn't enough to showcase. Then the second logo came in. And we were looking at this, kind of seeing, okay, it does include the ARK colors, it's wavy, and it, well, it shows our server. But we had to jump around. Because many didn't like the old logo. When we said, okay, we're going back to suggestions. So this was the first suggestion that we, had. basically AI generated stuff. I don't really know what to make of it. And then the second caught our eyes. We liked the waviness of it. We liked that it included our slogan, WAVEARK, and the wave kind of struck out to us. So the concept was get that wave, kind of throw it into our logo. Now then, another one of our friends came around and said, yo, I got something. And this is what he brought to the table. Now, after Nono said he didn't like it, Navu said he didn't like it, I kind of went around and said, yeah, let's give this a chance. Gave him some more info to include it, and this is what he came out with. Now, I am a big fan of this, because dinosaur. Not kidding though. So, they didn't like it, which then brought us back to this logo, where we said we like the wave. So Navu came back to us and said, okay, maybe I can, cook. And this is what he came up with. It's very simple, and I like the colors in there. It kind of sticks out to you. And then he slapped in some text in there, and boom, there we have our logo.
And now guys, it's finally time for you guys to join the Discord server. It's gonna be in the description released, I'm gonna pin a comment and everything. Guys, so join the server, put your suggestions in everywhere. We need as much input as possible, and I hope to see you there, man.